We must do better at setting out and upholding a set of norms to which we all must answer. As the global president spoke, he talked about the Equiapims, and he talked about the value or the norm of community. Values such as community, integrity, personal responsibility, and entrepreneurship are values that our society upheld many centuries ago. I believe that they are the norms that we need to consider and perhaps go back to. A people who are given to parochial interests of family, ethnicity, or religion, a people living comfortably with corruption, persistent negativity, and sheer wickedness to one another, cannot succeed at building a nation free and just, a nation great and strong. We must better examine the subject of norms to which we all must hold. I apply the fourth test to us as well, a reflection for those of us in government to question the structures that we have designed ostensibly to deliver value for our clients, the people. Just as we are today encouraging corporations and the private sector to establish effective organizational structures, we too should question the structures that we have built. Are they really delivering? Are they really effective? How well are we promoting participation and contribution from all of society, as we will expect from all of organization if we were in the private sector? Third, and in applying the same test, we must do better at setting out
Asem yidiko, asem yidika. Asem yidiko, asem yidika.
Inna beka.
Akwesi insia.
Commander 6.
Kano seniatia.
Yari nyamisro and ever sum yeman Ghana. Within the akwesi insia. Just gone by. Eya Semua, member of parliament, man, this year war of one say Ayerebi. Your sire minister of information, Honorable Kojo Ponkruma at the Tuja. We used to imagine that Amwa Badiaba Asemi de Kajumediaso. This is what we call or mind Ghana in Chichria. Yet tea and sem sabia edim crashe ebayemu. It tells us that some of our politicians know our grounds. And one wakano. And one honorable Kojo Ponkruma akani nyina no. It is time for us to eschew politics. Ewo ya mind Ghana chichiremu. Partisan politics. Enye NDC na wapa wanti BNP beye bianye. Enye MPP na wapa wanti BNDC beye bianye. MPP na yeye, NDC na yeye, na asem nankasemu eda ho. Ado Kojo Ponkruma nyamishrawo. Ano pay wudi nkuranshe bi abagana, especially emabunu no emu. You see your politicians are 80 grassroots. 80 Ghana for. Even talk to the MPP, NDC. No, it won't work. And I'm no kagalam say Asem. Almontua mampen na na do dan kwaku fado. HM ban e de eto so fishe me no. Asha say the results. No kure wo me say the way a yama galam say kono abeye amanyosem no amane kona ye den. And this is the time kwanchen or twa bam no so betwe nkrofo awuram ne tuni benkum nifa na MPP abe complaining NDC yo send an NDC for complaining MPP so the national development na kasakra no ye ni ho. The national development for the fight against galamsey na kasakra any ho abe partisan. Every action of the government here not so and Biano NDC war challenge because the motive near say or can be a better Ghana for some ami 2 MPP efra konyaso. how to deal with our situation, with our kankana and nemuno, and you'll be Asem. Partisan politics. And you cool my Ghana. Ya chile si go galam semwa. Eno ye endi siniti. MPP ni pa na aba wa power ya chini. Partisan politics. Partisan politics. And your politics oh. Politics in itself enya de bone. Politics in itself enya de bone. It brings divergent views and the agenda to eba. But the moment to be a partisan, let's acquire selfish. Some of the Medina MPP and I say Medina NDC, you know, me won't be apart from baby Medina no. Any idea kuye? And no idea high as of mine. Yeah, how you know? I don't know. Partisan politics. See beke en wobom se buamu ade baako ne ehu so man Ghana ye challenge kase pa o ye mputu ne nkanko huni no ye nye MPP nko abekora ne solution NDC nko abekora ne solution etu abekasa de etie bia no wo mpa aban na sem but e bia na ne wote akonya so na wo ye no na entwa ye sebi dam yankasa kora no wa dam ni siw na so awoto no wo hunu mu ye no ochina tenten ya wo hwemu no ehunu kwakwakura che wa wote ho ti pani wo kasa se ne wo twasa no wonim se ne chiachia but yenso aye treat the one na twasa no because of our partisan interest in tino atreat no kura ma menema NDC nchadwe na abanfa. The next moment I say, the challenge na affects no enyo biase. There's a challenge with our development. Adie ba ko a etwe ne san eye amanyo semu amanyo ya yeye. Enum wa yen. The didi amene ewura ye busuamu. Amanyo semu amanyo. Didi ewura ye busuamu, didi ewura ye nsorimu, didi ewura ye numam. Eto tibi tisi aso tu se la we se uchemu mienu a efa we NDC, efa we NPP. Ewura numakuwa mu a hwe ne ne esi police service. Hwe kana police service. Ena me na me ye MPP dina, MPP abapo na manya IGP. Police ni awobepo ye ho ban. Police ni abepo ye ho ban. Hey. O me wa somebody po da chi o. Ye titi wa ye di sa no, ha ye no. Asem kesi ye kapa na edi enim ese o man. If for qualification, enti ma o me ye IGP. Na wo party can meet me ye IGP dia. Ghana wa somebody po. Me dem me train NDC ba me nya IGP. So unqualify na. Unqualify. Unqualify. Anything I say MPP and I say NDC ba asa na wotimi adidi. Me say na asem ona bo kodwo ponkroma aka no. Or say a reflect wo ye dwumadie ya ye didada nyinamu ne ye ka kire ho say o man Ghana ye ntimi tonkoso enyese ya. Or say Ghana timi adwuma without MPP or NDC. Partisan politics in ekuye man. Partisan politics and they say yeah my Ghana. Obia with the interest in kwa. Obia with the interest. It is the interest of Madagascar and Kasakrano. The least among the interest Ghana ni eje ho. Now no me catch o. Obia no was catch any mind. nipa biye ni wa owosika echen ne man se umman ni ye a untimi ni ye ena meka to pa kofa American billionaire ebra Ghana ye inflation na ye team no ebeba ne sika so te say hwi esi ya moama ya my Ghana ntimi entumpo a wo as Ghana ni untimi ntumpo da Ghana ye yo ene wo ye yo partisan politics kunyai amfo so ochina me no beto galamsey nkomo no so revelations bebre so ate so ohene bi yetu no e wa hafo no because akwa galamsey ochina se me hye onye nsem ketua dashin of nane asante ay krado people's forum say akacho say ya wada bi Adom TV ni Adom 106.3 FM ya kan yatuma epa no ni atiesi emonten so ene amafo atwe nkomo ya kode komo a dana ya wasante ene amafo